Learning Equinox. In our video today, we are going to be understanding how you can unleash your potential in your personal as well as in your professional life. It is strange but true that we spend our entire life, almost decades, in understanding and grooming our academic skills, our professional skills and our technical skills. These are important, I am not saying so, but we fail to realize that there are certain skills which can help you achieve success and reach out there to a larger audience. And these skills is what we do not invest time at all in learning. The challenge lies here. So today we shall be talking about 5 such skills which can help you groom your personality. I am your facilitator Jyoti, and at Learning Equinox we are coming up with a series of videos, knowledge power packed videos, which shall be talking upon skills to groom your personality. So let's not waste much time, and I would urge you to watch this video till the end to understand which are these 5 significant important skills which can help us groom your personality. The first and foremost is communication. Now you'll tell me that communication is something which is so common. We do it day in and day out because we have a good command over our language. But communication basically means communicating with an intent and a purpose so that people understand and you get what you want. Have you been always successful in getting what you want? Understand the power of effective communication. However underrated this skill is in today's times, it is the most important skill. Let me go a little more further. If I talk about communication at length, it is all about deepening and having meaningful relationships with people so that you understand not only what you want, but also what the other person wants. In this way, you build on a win-win situation for both people, and that is the significance or the crux of effective communication. Many people, because of poor communication, are not able to grow up the corporate ladder or negotiate a better salary. Think about that. Do you want to change that situation? Invest time in understanding or learning effective communication. That brings me to the next important skill, which is about public speaking. Now, if you take 2 experts with a similar kind of knowledge, expertise and experience, but the first one has the ability to speak in front of a larger audience with confidence and conviction, the first one who is able to do that will be perceived as a better communicator and a better expert. However strange this may sound, it is true. People who are able to come out of their fears and are able to connect with a larger set of audience with confidence and with intent of communicating it, they are able to scale up their business very largely. That is the significance of public speaking, and which is a skill which is again very underrated. It's important that we are able to showcase ourselves in front of a larger audience. This brings me to the next one, which is the third one, about persuasion and negotiation. This persuasion and negotiation basically means that you are able to find out the intent behind the communication. Are you able to find out the intent? And this is generally useful in a high ticket item, larger scalable businesses, and in terms of engaging in boardrooms. You should be able to find out what is the intent of the other person and communicate in the manner he or she expects you to communicate. That is the third one. If you are capable of negotiating and persuading people in the right fashion, you are definitely going to scale up your business and your personality will be brought forward in a completely different manner. That brings me to the fourth one, which is about personal branding. Personal branding is all about finding that unique thing in you and showcasing, rather packaging it in a manner that the audience, that the people want to look at. What is your personal brand? Invest your time in understanding what is that unique thing about you. How would you like to showcase your personal brand and package it well? Send out the right kind of messages to people around so that they are able to understand you a lot better. Are you the kind who is sending out mixed vibes to people, not aware or not sure of what they want from their life and what you want out of them? Change that. See the kind of influence you will be able to bring about in the eyes of people if you are able to create a personal brand for yourself. Find out that unique thing for yourself and package it really well. The top 5% people that we talk about in our lives, in people around us, are the ones who have an amazing personal brand. That brings me to the last one, but not the least one, is about presentation skills. How do you present yourself? Are you presenting yourself, or are you talking to people in a structured manner with a structured content, bringing the message out very clearly? Structure your content and present yourself in the right fashion. That is about how you present yourself. Now, the reason of this video was that we invest almost decades understanding academic skills and understanding technical skills. I'm not saying that that's not important. That is very important, and we must educate ourselves and gain technical knowledge. But over and above that, do not fail to groom up your personality in a fashion that you look approachable, people feel like talking to you, and you're able to get across your message in the right fashion to the right kind of people. So if you want to undergo this kind of change and transformation, I suggest you consider subscribing to Learning Equinox, because here we're going to be coming up with knowledge power-packed videos in the coming few days, which will be helping you groom your personality in a different manner. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for change.